so he doesn't get all ruined. I got a mess here, guys. I've got a mess like you would not believe. So let's put a snowflake here on this little guy right there. This stuff is like butter. Aw, that looks cute. We'll put one over here on this side. I hope I'm going to like these when they're dry. He needs one down here. Okay, now I'm going to leave him alone. Now, I may come back and bling him up with some glitter. I have some eyes. I'm going to put some stuff in their eye. And on the red bird, I'm going to put some things on their eyes. And then I'm going to decide if I'm going to put them on the snowflakes or not. And, yeah. I should have painted his eye. Oh. I need to get this in the sink with some water. Yeah, I think this one needs some blingy on him. Let's see. I also have some glamour dust. After they're all dry, I can paint all over them and with the glamour dust, and they'll be all shiny. And this is a gold writer, and it is really stuck in the bottom. I don't know if I'll be able to. I need to store these upside down. These are from Deco Art. I have gold, silver, and clear. And the crystal clear is what I put on the green bird. Oh dear. When I get my wire boxes put together, I'll be able to store these upside down. Alright, let's test it out and see if it... Nope, not quite up there yet. let's see, where are the little eyes that I just bought? I bought these little eyes. I got blue ones and I got brown ones. And I thought that would be cute on there. They're like little eyes. Blue ones and brown ones. See? I think the gold with the black on the inside would be pretty on them. Alright, let's see if this has got any gold glimmer in it yet. Nope. Well, guys, I'm not going to stay here all night waiting for that to run down and keep you all waiting. But I'm going to put some of this on him, go around his body, and probably better to wait till that molding paste dries anyway. Then I'm going to come back and put the eyes on and do some more stuff maybe to them. Put them on the back of the snowflakes maybe. Shall we see how that might look now that they're painted? I know they've got the hook in them, but oh, that'll look really nice on there, huh? I can always cut that hook off and glue them onto the snowflake. What do you guys think? What do you think? Come on, I can't hear ya. Are you yelling at me? Yell at me, come on. I'm debating what to do with the snowflake. Let's see if where's the bigger one? Move this one over. See if I can get my bird. The red bird without mucking it up. Putting him, oh, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that will be on that snowflake, guys. I think he'll be pretty. I want to put some gold on their, gold glitter on their beaks. And I'll put the eye in. And I think what I'm going to do is put some of this luster paint on them. I've got some, well, I got all different colors. I got silver, I got gold, but I think I have some like clear. Anyway, it looks like this glamour dust paint, and if you paint that over the top of them, it really makes them shine really pretty. And I might do that. I'll test it first and see how I like it. But this little guy, he needs some bling. He needs something. And I still don't have any gold yet in. See? There's no gold. In that, there's no sparkles in there. It's all in the bottom, see? It's all in the bottom. It's not up the top yet. But this really turned out pretty on here. I hope the gold dries like this pearl did. Look how pretty that is on there. And I'm going to put his little eye in. poor little green bird over here. He's just all real glittery. We'll see what he's gonna look like in the on a snowflake. Oh, I think he'll be pretty on there. I think they'll be really pretty. Yes, I do. When they're all finished, I'll come back and we'll show you what they look like, and I'll be busy painting my other ones and deciding what I'm going to do with them. This little green bird, he turned out to be kind of not so cool, but I think he'll be okay when that dries and he's all glittery, and let's hope. If not, we'll do another one. We'll do another one and do another one of those too if I don't like how that one looks. And yeah. Alright guys, well I'm going to get off now and try to upload this portion of the video, and then I'm going to finish these off when they get dry. It's getting late here and I haven't had anything to eat, and I'm getting kind of weak in the knees because I need to go eat some food. And I'll be back tomorrow and we'll finish these up. Alright, bye-bye.